everyone, and welcome back to Rain's Arts. So today I'm going to try something I've seen on a channel called Poor Boy. So I'm going to attempt to put spiral colours on here and then blow it out and see how it looks. So I'm using paints that are mixed with glue and water. I'm just going to clean the nozzle out of it. I'm just going to put a bit of base paint white down, just a thin layer, just so that my paints have got something to glide over. It's a wet and miserable day here today in Western Australia. So if you hear lots of claps of thunder, that's what's happening. It's been thundering like mad all day, and Jax doesn't like it. He's been barking like a crazy thing at the thunder. So I just want a nice thin layer on there, just so that the paint's got something to glide on. So the first colour I'm going to use is called Dusty Citron, and this is Edora. Oh well, that's clever, isn't it? Don't want that on there. Go. Go, go, go. Just be back in a minute. I need to get some paper towels. I always forget something, so paper towels, and there's hair all over this now. Goodness, I'm having a good start. There's my tweezers. Let's take this hair off. And off you go. Don't want you there, you don't belong. Always the way. I get enthusiastic to start painting, and then I forget to get paper towels and things. Right, let's try this again. So I'm going to start in the middle and swirl out like this. Next colour I'm going to use is global paints called Tahiti. Of course that's going to make green, isn't it? White and blue. That's okay. Something nice and bright for today's miserable weather. So how's everyone going? Oops, must be coming to the end of that. The next one I'm going to use colour is a Cool Red by Global. Don't know how this is going to work out, but I thought it was a good idea. then I'm going to use some metallic pearl. I just have to give these a good shake because they've been sitting for a while. Probably got far too much paint on here. Let's put some around the outside there. And then the last colour I'm going to use, although I might put some gold in, gold might be nice, is turquoise. Use some of this metallic gold just to give it a bit of a zing. Bit of a wrong side. I've now got a cat and a dog under my legs. Come on guys, move. Move, move, move. Hairdryer. Is it plugged in? No. So let's have a go and see how this works out. Whoops-a-daisy. Well, that's kind of different. I might give it a spin. It's got a bit too much paint in the middle there, I think. Give it another bin just to get rid of some of that paint in the middle. Tweezers, is a lump or something there that shouldn't be there. I like that. I do like that. So I'll bring you guys down for a closer look. So this is a close-up of the painting. Sorry about that shade there. Can't ever seem to get my lighting right so that there's no shade on it. If I do it this way. There you go, we've got some nice sills or lacing there and up there. And there's not a lot of green in there, which is surprising given it's yellow and blue, and the yellow is even a bit of green. Oh, if I can find it on the camera, a bit of green there, but not as much as I thought. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. It was a quick one for today, and I shall be back to show you the dried results. So this is my finished painting, and as you can see, it's not like what it was when we left it, because I wanted the spiral that I put in, and so I balloon kissed it all the way around and it brought up the spiral. So let's go in for a closer look. So you can see some of the kisses there making flowers. And you can see that the colours of the spiral also came out. The yellows and the blues. So I really like how it turned out in the end. I don't know, what do you guys reckon? Did you like it the way it was before, or do you prefer it this way? So with the balloon kisses, I made this little painting, which I will show you close up of. So with the paint that was on the balloons, I put them on this tiny little canvas, and I can embellish this or leave it like it is. So I was kind of surprised how this one worked out, because I was worried about there was a lot of paint still in the middle, and when I put my balloon in and it brought the colours up, I thought, oh, I'm going to do that all the way around, and this is how it turned out. So I'm really pleased with the results. So thank you everyone for tuning in, till next time, take care of yourself and bye for now.